Becoming. Am I becoming Harriet Tubman? Going back and rewiring my people in their mental state, leading them to freedom and truth in this physical place? Am I becoming Coretta Scott King, standing with my people who have a dream, desire to be judged solely by my characteristics instead of the color of my being? Am I becoming Maya Angelou, a phenomenal woman phenomenally, writing empowering words that are read and heard throughout generations far beyond me? Am I becoming Oprah Winfrey, a woman they didn't want on the TV screens, now on her own network, an entrepreneur Black queen? Am I becoming Michelle Obama, the first Black first lady that holds a law degree, to be written down in history, becoming the representation that our people of color need to see? We are becoming the women they never thought we would be. I am becoming the woman they never thought I would be. I was raised in an environment that was meant to devour me. I was filled with hate, so statistically, I shouldn't be alive to see 28. From the crack cocaine in my genes, it seems as if I should have been another statistic, an alcoholic, drug abuser, unsuccessful, fully addicted, but I began to break chains. 25 years old, neuroplasticity made new connections in my brain. I retrained and reframed from the things that were keeping me farther away from me. Can't you see? Can't you see the roadblocks and detours that were keeping me away from my destiny? I'm destined, you see, to be something great because I refuse to allow society to give me a predetermined death date. So I purposely pull from the roots that engulf me. The same ones that suffocate but also love me. The same ones that tell me to speak but also hush me. I'm so grateful for the women that have paved paths and went before me. They endured many hardships and never gave up on a vision of what they could be. So I had to remove myself from those environments so that I could see, so that I could be the best version of myself that I am becoming.